What's up? I'm JV and this is my channel Wasting Gas. Today I am still in sunny Florida, Orlando, over the Christmas holiday, and this is pretty awesome. I'm in shorts. I was in a pool yesterday, hanging out, had a great time. Today though, I gotta get some work done to the triple vet. I'm here at Diddy Auto Repair in Kissimmee, Orlando, Florida. The Kissimmee, Orlando area. It's in Kissimmee, I think, is technically. Anyways, and I am going to rent a lift, and I'm going to get some work done. Some of you guys that have been following me for a long time may remember that this is the shop that I brought my car to when I had some troubles during one lap of America. We were down in Sebring racing. We stopped here on the way up back through the state to try and get the AC repaired. Ended up being that the compressor and everything was completely shot on it, so they couldn't do anything about that. Unfortunately, at the time, it was just going to take too long. It was going to take, you know, a half a day to get the parts in, another half a day or so to get, you know, to do all the work, and we had about 45 minutes of spare time. Well, spare time. We decided to give up 45 minutes of sleep to get some of that time for the work on the car. But anyways, I'm here today. I've got a bunch of stuff that I'm going to be doing, a bunch of different things I'm going to do to the car. I've got to do an oil change, and I've got to swap out my brake pads. I'm going to swap out exhaust and hopefully get rid of that horrendous exhaust rattle that I've got going on. Along the way, I'm also going to do some vlogging throughout the whole thing, so stay tuned. I get it on this jack over the rear end. It's too low for the arms of the lift to slide under, specifically with the side skirts. And then you got to get them lined up here on the little jacking pucks on the sides, but the rear end is going to be much higher, so you got to kind of lift the lift up to meet the puck, and hopefully it stays. Sometimes they stay, sometimes they don't. But she's now lifted, and we can start some of the work. So I got the car up in the air, and I can look at it and see what's going on. I'm about to do the oil change, and I'm going to do exhaust, some mufflers here and there. I'm knocking some of that stuff out, kind of looking around, looking at some of the things. Looks like I have some pretty awesome wear still on these Michelin tires. I don't know how much more abuse I can put these through, and how many more miles they can do, but apparently they are running strong. Even the rears. Let's take a look at the rears here. Yeah, look at that. Jesus, they're brand new. They're brand new. I don't know. Maybe I still have 80% tread left. That's pretty incredible considering that they've been on what, like 10 track days now. I guess not full track days. Equivalent of maybe like 4 full track days. And I don't know, 10,000 miles or so by this point. That's pretty nuts. Anyways, time to get to the oil change. I finished all the oil change part stuff from under here. As you can see here, you've got the new filter. Made sure I retightened both of these. The Z06 with the dry sump has 2 drain plugs. So you've got a nice little arrow pointing to both of them so you don't forget them. Here you can see the lines going into the sump tank underneath inside of here. So now all I have left to do with the oil change is to go ahead and fill it up with oil from the top, which is going to take all of those. That's a lot of oil. But while the car is lifted up in the air, I'm going to go ahead and tackle the exhaust system and replace these mufflers. Hopefully get rid of that damn rattle that I've got. Got the exhaust back on. Got everything bolted up. It was a little bit of a pain. Wasn't too bad. Now I've got the car down lowered and I am putting oil, getting some blood back in your veins. And then it'll be time to start it up and see what exhaust I have. The reason why that matters is because I had what was known as the muffler mod going to my factory exhaust. Means I had opened up the exhaust canister and I had sealed the factory straight pipe portion of it, which in the 06 to 2010 Z06s was perforated, so they made it quiet. They made the loud side quiet. I never understood that. So anyway, so I sealed that up inside the piping to make the loud side actually loud. Well, now the mufflers that I got on here, I was told were from 2011, though I have no way of verifying that. So we'll find out in the 2011 and up, that loud side was actually a straight piece of piping, so it was actually loud. So we'll see what happens. I don't know. Someday down the line, I'm going to get the entire muffler rebuilt and put in a full 3-inch piping all the way through, because right now it necks back down to like 2 3/4 or so. So I'll put full 3-inch piping for that last foot or so of piping, and then, you know, a full 3-inch valve for the butterfly, whatnot. But I'm going to fill it up with oil, and then I'm going to give her a start up and see what we got. So I just finished putting in the new mufflers, and it's been all of about 5 feet, and I am pretty happy with them. Letting the car get up to operating temperature so I can check the oil level here in a little bit as soon as it's up there. She still does the pop-pops, that's for sure. Definitely still does the pop-pops. Sounds throaty, smoother. That old system was falling apart. I think it was beat. There was leaks. There was all kinds of issues with it. I got used to the sound, but this is nice so far. Reiki. To think these are factory mufflers. It's long tubes and a mid pipe are really the only thing you need, especially in the 2011 and up Corvettes. You know, the catbacks, other than that, you know, foot or so, foot and a half of piping that's neck down to 2 3/4, you know, but unless you're going for 600-700 horsepower, like, or plus, obviously, I just don't see that you're gaining much. Like, this exhaust is amazing. No more rattle, no more vibration. Oh, that's awesome. I'm pretty sure the quiet side is quieter than it used to be. Gotta let my oil come up to temperature before I get on it. Bye, Mr. Officer. Not doing nothing. I can't get on it anywhere. This car's too fast. I catch up with traffic. It's just. A little bit of traction cut there. All right. Oh, I am a happy boy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy with this one.